Oh my god, we have a new one. What you guys doing today? I'm gonna help my dad with the kitchen. Remodeling. Ew.
After a long time, Jen stops working.
Dad's coming out! Oh, hot the nail. Two down. One more to go.
Bigger, the fish.
This one? Oh.
Yeah, big one.
Big one, cuz. Stop. 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 Okay, what y'all gonna carry now? Stop it.
Wait. Pick up the... Yeah.
We took out that cabinet, and that cabinet. Now it's all clear. Good job. No, not on my lips. I see you licking your cooch, that's why. Cooch on my cheek is okay, but not on my lips. No. Action. Oh, wow, what? Oh! Yeah. What did I say about licking my lips? No! I don't want Ookie in my lips. Look at the wheels on her. Look at the wheels on her. Dope. This cunt. Oh, I don't like it. Oh no, we don't like flats. Yes, we do. We like that. Yes, we do. No. No. Kind of. No. Yes, of course. Yes, we like the bling. We love the clogs, yes. We like that too. What else? What is this? Model, walk. Oh, do we love it? 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 Oh, crap, Lakey. It's backed up viaduct. I'm Daniel Tucker. Here's a new shirokiya. Wow. It's a madhouse in here. Wow. I didn't really have that. That's lush. $1 beer. Wow. Yeah. Three, two, one. You can already see it. This looks phenomenal. Yup. Check it out. Oh my god. But look, it's coming soon. How dare them. Yum. Is it crooked? What? Purple lips. Yes.
Oh,
let me come in the front.
I got it. Again. Fuck. I was like, I woke up, I was like, fuck, I'm not gonna be able to go sleep again. So I was like, oh, if I don't, oh my gosh, Richard, my voice is gonna be in the background.
I'd rather die than live without you. I'll give you one of me, honey, that's no. Yeah, Carolyn, feed me.
Oh, what the heck? Where did you get that?
You like my lips?
What is that?
Purple lips.
Why are you doing that?
Because it's National Kissing Day.
Oh,
I think so.